Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW X1 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the H-band application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on the Mine icon, then tap on the X1 device right here, then scroll down, find the button called Disconnect, tap on it, and the device will disappear from the app. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option. Here find the X1 device on the list of my devices. Once you find it, tap on Info, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. You will see the disconnected prompt on your watch. We can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.